Another beautiful day. Beautiful afternoons up at the boat with Chuck, Jeff, and Ralph.
Someone just called. Ed.
Up at the boat. Cowboy coffee
Where should I say?
with Chuck and his buddies, Jeff and Ralph.
What time you got? At some point we meet at
Woo!
10 to 12.
At some point we meet at 4 points of rendezvous. One of
Good
the
day, good day.
Rendezvous at 1.
We're looking for some other friends, and we're gonna link up with them. But we're really enjoying it up here at the boat.
Stay over that side. I know she is.
Don't have the GoPro today, so I'm airing it out even more. Here we are, slope side. My buddy Chuck. Hey Chuck. There's Benoit. There's Benoit. Yeah, there we are.
Living sensations.
You know it, Chuck. Woo! Rocking the boat. There's Annie.
Girls.
Woo! There's our new best friends. Yeah, oh, slow side. Say hi. Ralphie, Chip. Here they are. Some of the best skiers on the boat.
Yeah, you got that.